Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your phone is updated and has a bit of charge. This avoids odd behavior while changing power settings. Once done, open the Settings app and use the search bar to jump straight to battery. This saves time. Make sure to identify whether you're on iPhone, where it's called low power mode, or Android, where it's battery saver. Now that you're in the battery screen, you're ready for the actual configuration steps that follow. You'll now change the mode itself and refine what it does. Tap the low power mode toggle on iPhone. You'll see the battery indicator turn yellow, which confirms the change. For Android, open battery saver settings and choose either manual, automatic at a percentage, or a schedule. Pick what fits your routine. While you're here, make sure to tighten background app refresh, reduce mail fetch frequency, and lower screen brightness so the mode delivers meaningful savings without surprising performance drops. You finish by verifying the changes and knowing how to recover if needed. After enabling your mode, run a couple of regular apps and watch the battery percentage to confirm reduced drain. If an app misbehaves, make sure to exempt it from restrictions or relax a setting like background refresh. If the toggle won't stick or the system ignores your choice, restart the device, then if necessary, reset your battery settings. This usually fixes persistent configuration glitches without data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.